Hello everyone. I know a lot of people have been struggling with InDesign, and I took a class a few semesters ago and we used InDesign. I'm not an expert at it, but I do know some things. So real quick, here is what my final project looks like. So we have 2 columns. Remember, she said you can do 2 or 3 columns and you want to label each part of your column. So I have this right here. You can't see it very well because it's in the original screen. But this is the bio that my partner wrote of me with the title, a picture of myself with the title, another picture and another picture that goes apart with my bio there. So what you want to do, let's start over here. So you're just going to click Create New. And you're going to come over here and you're going to go where it says Columns. Make sure that's on 2. And it can just stay at custom and then hit create. So you have 2 columns here. So first things first, with InDesign, you have these buttons here. There's the mouse, the selection tool, and the direct selection tool. So be conscious when you're using those. So you'll need those 2 buttons. You're going to need the type tool, the little text box, and you're going to need the rectangle frame tool. So to start with your title for your news paper, you can select the rectangle frame tool. Or no, I'm so sorry. Let's start with the type tool. So type tool, and you can go right here and you can drag it straight across like that. And then from in here, it's got the little cursor so you can start typing, and you can change your font. Let's say I want to do marker felt, and you can make it pretty big since it's a title, and you can say this is my title and make it as big as you want up here. Okay, so there's that. Then to insert your bio, you're going to want to go to now the rectangle frame toolbox. Click that, and you're going to make your box. So if you want to do it like mine or however you want to do it, you can drag this whole space. So there's your box. Now to insert something there, you're going to want to go back to your cursor up here, your selection tool, and right here you're going to hit Command D. And this is where you can insert your bio, a picture, anything like that. Excuse me, sorry. So I'll do my bio again. This is the one again that my partner wrote of me. So make sure it's a PDF. That's easier for InDesign to read. So open, and it's going to pull up right there in the space you have. So do you see the circle right here? It helps you move what's in the picture, and it needs to be, you need to be using the selection tool to do that. So you can drag it, and then you can make it, you can also, with your hands on the mouse, you can, oh, sorry, didn't mean to do that. If you select the filled in, the direct selection tool, and you hover over, you can zoom in or zoom out on your picture. There it is. So I'm just using my fingers on the mouse pad and just zooming in and out. So let's say I want it to look like this. You can pick it up and move it. Zoom in and make it bigger like that. Okay, so let's say that's what I want to do. So now we want to add like a picture or something on the side. So again, you're going to go to your rectangle frame tool, and you're going to make a square or whatever you want to do on this side. There's your box. Go back to your selection tool, and again it's going to be Command D, and it's going to pull up your Finder, and you can insert all your images and things like that. So let's say I want to put in that picture. Okay, and so there it is. Great. And now I want to put in a title, so you're going to go to your text box type tool over here, select that, and you can make a little box right above, and you can type in there. just like that. So there's your 2 columns, and then when you're done, you can hit View Overprint Preview, and it'll show you what it's gonna look like at the end, just like that. And then to save it, be sure you save it regular. So you're gonna go to Save As, and then whatever you wanna call it, as an InDesign document. So save it like that. And then you need to save it as a PDF because she wants it as a PDF in tracks. So to do that, you're gonna go to File, you're gonna go to Export, and then see right here it says Adobe PDF Print. You hit Save and make sure you do your .pdf so you know that one's your PDF. Okay, and that should be it. Good luck, y'all.